how to take loan from Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to get loan from Binance in this year. So after you open up now your Binance app like this, so you tap on this menu at the top left side. After you tap on the menu, so from this option, now you tap on this more services. Under the more services, tap on the search and search for loan. So from the loan now there is three options. So the first it says loans, and the second one it says BIP loan, and the third one it says flexi rate loan. So you choose the first one, get an instant loan secured. So from this option now you tap on this start borrowing. So the first thing to do now, as you can see here, is option. So here they will give you USDT loan. Here is it now, this one. So here it will give you the USDT loan. So if you want, you can change the coin that you want to loan, you want to borrow. So I'll tap on this option. Let's say I want to change it to like BTC or any coin. Just go and search for the coin you want to borrow. Let's say BTC, and just search. After you select the coin, it will appear in this option, and type in the amount you want to borrow. So let's say I want to borrow like 500 USDT. After you type in the USDT I want to borrow, so tap on this done. So the next option, you tap on this option now. You check on this buy. Now you confirm that by with the terms and condition for the Binance loan. So the next thing to do now, you tap on this option now. Here it says amount collateral. So you need to have the collateral on your key on your Binance account before they'll give you the Binance USDT as a loan. So you tap on this option now and choose the coin that you want to give them as a collateral. So these are the coins that I'm currently holding. So I'm holding all these coins in my Binance account. So let's say I want to give them BTC as a collateral. After I give them BTC, so now I'll type in the amount of the BTC I want to give them as a collateral. After you type in the amount in this option, so after you type in the amount in this option, so from there, just let's say I want to give them 0.005 amount of your BTC, and then type in the amount you want to borrow. See, let's say I want to borrow 500, or less 5,000 USDT. So if you have the amount in your Binance account for the coin you want to give them as a collateral, just type in the amount you want to borrow, and from there this confirm button will be active for you. After you type in the confirm button, so from there the BTC or the USDT will be transferred automatically into your Binance account. And that's it guys on how to take loan from Binance. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.